Hello, today we will guide you through how to set leverage in PrimeXBT. To begin, open the PrimeXBT accounts area in your browser. Once the page loads, look near the top of the screen for the Trading Accounts section and click on it. This is where you can access the account you want to use for trading and make changes related to how your positions are managed. After that, select Trade. This will open the trading interface where you can adjust settings connected to your current trading setup. Give the platform a moment to fully load if needed, especially if charts or market panels take a second to appear. Once you are inside the trading screen, move your attention to the top right area and click on Cross. This setting is important because it controls the margin mode being used for your positions. If you are following along carefully, make sure you are clicking the correct label in the upper right corner of the trading panel. When the Margin Settings menu appears, click on Change. This opens the available configuration options so you can update the account mode tied to leverage behavior and position handling. It is a good idea to pause briefly here and read what is shown on screen before confirming any adjustment, especially if you are new to margin trading. Next, click on Netting Mode. Choosing this option changes the way positions are managed within the account. Depending on the platform layout and current account setup, this can affect how your exposure is displayed and how leverage-related settings apply. Make sure Netting Mode is the option you want before moving forward. Finally, click Confirm to apply the change. After you confirm, the platform should update your trading setup with the new mode. If you do not immediately see the update, wait a moment for the interface to refresh. In some cases, reopening the relevant panel can help you verify that the change has been applied. As a quick tip, always review your account settings before placing a trade, since leverage and margin configuration can directly affect risk, liquidation levels, and how positions behave. Even a small setting change can make a big difference in live trading conditions. That's it. You have now gone through the process of updating the relevant setting in PrimeXBT to help manage leverage configuration within the trading interface.